The special intensive revision is being conducted in phases across the country. And the Supreme Court has again clarified which documents can be used to prove citizenship and which cannot. Hello students, welcome to Drishti IAS. My name is Saloni Nandir, and in this short video we'll understand the status of Aadhaar when it comes to the proof of citizenship. So I told you SIR is ongoing, special intensive revision is ongoing, which is basically a cleanup of our voter list. It is going to remove all the duplicate entries. It is going to remove the names of the people who are no longer alive, and basically it's going to do a cleanup, an entire cleanup of our voter list. So this is being conducted in phases across the country, and right now we are talking about West Bengal. So the SIR that is happening in West Bengal, just in accordance with that, Supreme Court has again reiterated, it has made it clear that Aadhaar cannot be used. Aadhaar cannot be used as a proof of citizenship. It is only being used as a proof of identity. Now, what is the difference? Proof of identity meaning that Aadhaar can only be used to verify your name and your address. It is only a proof of your identity that yes, you stay in India, you live in India. This is a proof of identity versus the proof of citizenship. Are you a legal citizen of India or not? This is not going to be verified by Aadhaar. Aadhaar is only a proof of identity. Why? Because in certain cases, Aadhaar can also be issued to people who are not citizens of India. For example, the OCI card holders or the valid visa holders. So anybody who has been staying in India for the past 182 days, at least 182 days in the past 12 months, can also apply for an Aadhaar. Of course, there are certain other requirements as well. But if a person has been staying in India for at least 182 days in the past 12 months, those people can also apply for an Aadhaar. That is why certain OCI card holders, certain valid visa holders can also have an Aadhaar. So Aadhaar necessarily does not mean that you are a citizen of India. It only will verify your name, your address, just meaning that you are living in India at the moment, but are you a valid citizen of India or not? That cannot be claimed by Aadhaar, and that is why the judiciary again has said that Aadhaar is only a proof of identity and it is not a proof of citizenship. Aadhaar, we know, is issued by under the Aadhaar rules of 2016, and it is only a proof of identity. In fact, there are other documents. There's a list of some documents that can prove the Indian citizenship. This is not a comprehensive list, but if we look at a few, Indian passport, it is one of the strongest proofs of Indian citizenship. Then we have the voter ID, the birth certificate, school, college certificates also. They also tell us that yes, you have spent quite some time in India. Again, there are other documents also that need to be provided along with these documents. But these are some documents, some other government issued documents also that can be our proof of citizenship. But Aadhaar is not a proof of citizenship. So that was all for this video. I hope you were able to understand the difference between proof of identity and proof of citizenship. Now let's look at a practice question for prelims. But before we do that, you know that there is this new launch for you, which is the Studio GS Foundation live online course. This course is a complete UPSC preparation kit because you can complete your preparation of both prelims and mains in only 14 months. You also have 3 different mediums to choose from: Hindi, English and Hinglish. And if in future you wish to join the offline foundation batch at Drishti, then the fees of this online foundation batch is going to be adjusted in our offline fees. So don't wait, this is a golden opportunity. You can also go ahead and apply this coupon code SALONI, Saloni, all in capital letters only, and you will be able to get this code this course at the maximum discount. So you can call us at 87501 for any more information, and you can also download the Drishti Learning app. Now let's look at the practice question. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in India? 1. Aadhaar can be used as a proof of Indian citizenship during SIR. 2. SIR is being conducted in phases. 3. Documents like passport, voter ID and birth certificate are accepted as proof of citizenship during SIR. Choose the correct statements. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Please attempt this question and provide your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.